Hello everyone, my name is Kari Balakrishna. Welcome to this video presentation where we are going to discuss about how we can get clients using social media. So if we want to grow our business, get more customer into our business, and if you want to make more revenue, more leads, introduce to new customer, new demographics, so we can consider a marketing as a very good tool to grow our reach for marketing. So let me get into, so we all know about the digital marketing. So let's understand, if you are a real estate company, how you can get leverage from this digital marketing. So here are some case studies. So let me. So right now our agency is working in Visakhapatnam. So if you are a real estate company, how to get leverage from Facebook to get clients for your business. So you can see there is a estimated audience size is around 22 lakhs people over here. 22 to 26 lakh people are already in Facebook. So let's say you consider that you want to target a 25-year-old person and maybe 50-year-old person who can 55 years old, a person who can be interested in your real estate. So there are 14 lakh people who are registered in Facebook, and the marketing to reach to this customer and the marketing cost is too low. If you want to introduce your product, you can target this customer. So there are a lot of filters available to us. Let's say their demographic, behavior, we can browse. We can So if you want to target only the professionals who are in education, and there are a lot of filters can be added, so we can specifically target those customer to get leads from them. So same way, what is the biggest challenge of any business, of a business, that they are not getting the quality leads for their product and services. So there are 12 lakh people where you can target them to showcase your product. So often we think that where will I get my customer for my business? So this way, and the another tool is Google. Now there are actually people looking to buy a property in Visakhapatnam. There are 100 to 1000 people are searching online to buy a property in particular Visakhapatnam. So let's say if you are a real estate developer or a real estate company, which one, so specifically I've typed for this real estate keyword. You can see over here, real estate. So these are actively people searching online to buy some products, to buy some real estate. You can directly target those customers, which can be generated lead. And the another way is Facebook. So here you can also target your potential customer. So we provide these services. If you are a real estate company and looking to get some customer and you are not able to generate proper leads, so you can get in touch with us So this is our number, or there might be a link over here or above there. You can contact us. Thank you.